Hello there and welcome to the Electronic Pick today once again, and today we're going to have a short video on the working fixes for connected but no internet. That's pretty annoying, isn't it? Yes, it is. Especially after you've done some basic troubleshooting and still it doesn't work. Yeah, you need the internet. Okay, so first things first, check all your devices at home. It could be that that's the only computer that's not working. Maybe the other devices in your home are actually working and the internet is on, and you still keep troubleshooting without any resolution. You need to reboot your PC to begin with. Reboot can actually solve a lot of issues, and especially you can see in Windows normally it asks for your reboot. Yeah, maybe even after an update or any installation, etc. So basically a reboot would help a lot to begin with. Now this is especially for Windows 10. The issue appears like this: a yellow colored triangle with an exclamation or right on your wireless icon, or where you see your internet icon. You may start troubleshooting with steps like going to the device manager and going under network adapters to remove the adapters, and then rescan for the hardware again, and then basically you are reinstalling or refreshing the driver from the driver cache. But normally, in such scenarios, I always prefer to, refresh all the devices, to power cycle all the devices, your router, your modem, and your PC, of course. Like I said in the beginning, you need to reboot your PC to start off with. Now, the most important thing is your antivirus. Okay, so sometimes it helps when you actually disable your antivirus protection and then updating it and re-enabling it back. So alongside the firewall which comes along inside the antivirus, or the external Windows firewall, you can actually disable it and check whether your connectivity is back by refreshing your internet connection. This has been known to resolve many issues with relation to the internet connectivity. And you have to definitely check out the different options that you have in your antivirus, whether it may be a firewall or some blocking settings that it automatically does. Okay, now coming on to the command prompt. Now you have to run it in administrative mode, or the administrator mode. The first command is the netsh WINSOCK reset catalog. This will reset the IP catalog, and that should also help. You need to reboot your PC when you do these commands. The second one you can see there on the screen now, just the netsh int ipv for reset.log. Again, ensure that you reboot your PC once you run this command. The next, I have listed out a set of commands you can actually run for Windows 7 especially, and also for Windows 10 exclusively. So once you do these commands, again I'm reminding you to reboot your PC to check the issue is resolved. Yes, you may want to pause the video or take a screenshot to run these commands sequentially. We hope that you found the video helpful and help you to resolve this particular issue that you had. We thank you again for visiting the Electronic Pick today, and until we meet next time, take care and goodbye.